Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Waze are ready. Connect the phone with a certified USB cable or pair wireless CarPlay on the stereo, then unlock the phone and accept the CarPlay prompt. Once done, open Settings General CarPlay to confirm the vehicle appears. Make sure Waze has location and microphone permissions so voice directions and routing work. This gets you into CarPlay quickly. Now move to configure Waze within the CarPlay interface. Once connected, you enable Waze inside both the app and CarPlay. Open Waze settings and turn on CarPlay integration, choose your preferred voice guidance, and enable auto start of directions. Then, on the iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay and add Waze to the active app list so it appears on the dash. Make sure background app refresh and cellular data are allowed so maps and live traffic update. If audio is quiet, verify CarPlay audio output and Waze volume separately. You finish by launching Waze on CarPlay and starting a route. Test a short trip to confirm voice prompts, ETA, and lane guidance display correctly. If directions are overlapping with music, change Waze sound settings and CarPlay audio output. You can lower media volume or let Waze duck audio. If Waze does not appear on CarPlay, restart the iPhone and head unit first. If that fails, disconnect, forget the vehicle in CarPlay settings, repair, or try a different.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.